In the digital landscape, ethical hacking requires security and integrity, but ethical practices requires guidelines. So join us where I will be discussing with you some do's and don'ts of taking training under cybersecurity. So let us see what are the do's for the responsible cybersecurity. Seek proper authorization before hacking. By obtaining explicit permission, you establish legal and ethical boundaries. Focus on security, not causing harm. Organizations improve security without unnecessary disruptions. Continuously update your knowledge and skills. Stay effective by keeping pace with evolving threats. Now let us see what we should not do. Don't cross the line into illegal activities. Engaging in unauthorized hacking can lead to severe legal consequences. Don't neglect documentation and consent. Transparency and accountability are essential.